Hello, good evening. Hope you are doing well done. We are going to learn how to make a linear regression in SPSS. For the last session, we learned how to bring data in SPSS. And since we have already our data, we can run a linear regression in SPSS. Then to do that, what we need to do is just to go to analyze and come to regression and take linear. Okay. From here, we can just put, let me remove everything first. Okay. From here, we have the part of dependent variable and independent variables. Here is dependent variable and variable. Since we are doing what we are calling a linear regression, the dependent variable should be a quantitative one, a numeric one. And now the independent variable will also be numeric data, or maybe we can also mix them. But for the dependent variable, that one is compulsory. The dependent variable should be numeric one. That is, and now what we need us to do, let us say that here, this one, okay, from this symbol or sign, can we see something? Those one like flowers and so on are qualitative, and those one like those one scale are those one which are numeric. Then taking this one is hours is numeric data. I can just put it there, dependence. We will be having only one dependent variable, but the independent variable can be many. Then we can take whatever, like let's say that we are taking age. Okay, we are taking age. We can take also unemployment. We can also take experience. We can also take something like education. Okay, then bring them here. And now we have, if we want to have only the regression, linear regression, is enough now. But if you want to add some statistics, we can go here and add like model fit, descriptive, estimate confidence interval, and so on to our test. Then we will be having those descriptive statistics just above, and also linear regression. Our confidence interval 95%. And now it's okay. If you want also to have some plots and so on, okay, we can use this part. But for now, it's okay. And we can just run. Okay, and we'll be having our result. Now from here, can we see we have this discrete statistic, like taking those variables we are using. We have hours. Okay, we have the mean of hours. We have we have the mean of those different variables, hours, age, and so on. Have the standard deviation, and we have also the number of observation. Yeah, this table is just showing us now the different correlation existing among different variables. But what is interesting us here is this table, the last one, which is showing the results of the linear regression, as we can see here. Then, first of all, what we need to see is the significance level of those different variables. When we are taking like age, we can see that this value is less than 5%. We can see that age is statistically significant. This one also is less than 10%. We can see also that is statistically significant, but at 10%. And also experience is statistically significant. Then to interpret, we are just using only those ones which were statistically significant. We can see also the correlation or the relation between the independent variables and dependent variables. Here, can you see that the sign is negative, meaning that the type of the relationship between dependent variable and age is negative. Like when age is increasing, okay, the dependent variable is reducing or is decreasing. And now, can we see here education? The sign is positive, meaning that the relationship is positive. When the education will increase, at that moment, the increasing of the education by 1 unit will increase the increase of the dependent variable by 0.05 units. Okay, when taking also experience, you can see the relationship is the relationship is positive, meaning that when the increasing of education by one experience by 1 unit will increase now the increase of dependent variable or number of hours by 0.46 units. That is, then what is important here is those significant things and also the coefficients. Also, if there is no significance part here, you can also use those D and talk and say whatever you want just to say. Then that is the how to do linear regression when we are in SPSS. This one is a table of ANOVA. We will come maybe for next session talk about it. In that one, you can see that it's significant, saying that taking all together our independent variable, they are okay. This model we are using is better than the intercept only model. So then here is, as I was just saying, the correlations existing between the variables we use in our linear regression. Thank you so much. We think that this video will help